Oh, you can't hold on here. Hold on. There we go. Hello everybody, welcome back. If you've seen the last video, I finished up combining soybeans, and I have that truck in the shed right now with the beans in, and I'm going to run them down to the mill here this morning. So I am heading to get the truck right now. I went home and ate some breakfast and stuff. So we're going to jump in that truck. I got to run over to Mary Mart. They said the truck was overheating a little bit yesterday, so he wants to take a look at it before I run it down to the mill. Chance of rain this morning, but I think it's going to pass us by, which is kind of unfortunate because it's going to start needing the rain again. I tell you what, we're getting the rain on big old spurts. He just fires his truck up. Pulling off the scale, all our beans are in the mill. So I'm gonna go take the truck back to Mary Mart and we'll see where the day takes us. I got a guy coming for hay this afternoon. Don't roll, camera. This turn sucks. This truck had a turn-in radius of a freaking school bus. Let's see if we can make her. Oh yeah, baby. Through town, gotta take it easy. Final bushels per acre, they average 35, which is really good for late beans around here. And I won't say really good, but it is pretty good. And the test weight was 59. That's pretty good. So I am 100% glad that I planted them. But I need to finish winterizing the planter. Got 2 more jugs of antifreeze that we're gonna both put in the tank. I put 2 gallons in yesterday and needed more. So now I have more. I'm gonna go start down with the skid loader. Got that hooked up for Dave for when he gets here. And we're gonna load a load of hay up, bring it up here and sell this afternoon. But I put the manure spreader away, moved some calves, put that back in the shop. Nothing really exciting going on. Winter work is starting to begin. I mean, I'm in a t-shirt. Crazy warm out today. It's like 70 something. November 1st. I want it to be cold. I like the cold. Really windy today. I have the door open just sitting here and it's just blowing stuff all over me. Dave's coming, I hear the tractor. It's after lunch, and and I guess I'm gonna go clean out that calf pen. Not sure when my hay guy's coming quite yet. I should have time. It's not real deep. I'm not gonna load it up in the spreader because it's not worth it. I'm just gonna haul it out with the skid loader to the other barn where we stockpile manure and leave it there until I clean that barn, which I'll probably do in 2 to 3 weeks probably. This is first crop hay, baled in the first week of June. Oh yeah, good quality stuff. It's always so hard to scoop this stuff. Mainly straw. Now it's in the well, Park showed up. I taught him how to kick dust up. He's doing a pretty good job. Park, are you doing a good job? Making dust? You want
Dad, make dust!
make dust? Dad say, Daddy, make dust!
Dad, make dust!
Alright, let's go touch a round bale. Yeah, let's go over here. What is this stuff right here, buddy?
Oh, the round bells.
What's in the round bale?
Oh, corn sauce.
Not quite. No. What is this?
Hey.
There you go.
Subscribe!